Do you still have dreams that you want to fulfill in this life? But because of your current situation, it seems like it will remain a dream. Hi, my name is Janera McNeil. I'm a wife, a mom to 3 adult kids, and a grandma to 2 amazing kids, and also a RN and a caregiver. I'm also a proud digital business owner. I get it. Working for more than 20 years, but your situation remained the same. Year in, year out, there's no difference. Do you want a way out? That's why I started my online business, to create more time freedom without giving up what I love. If you are ready to build something for yourself, click the link around this video and let's get started.